that bolt. Yeah, it's probably gonna take me 2 days to do it.
We should have thought about this a little bit beforehand.
What?
You know, not like the same week we were supposed to go to Vancouver.
Yeah, I tried to. I was like, do you know how long I've been trying to put my diffuser on? Not that. We don't care about that.
You haven't even started. It's on the floor still.
Are you fucking fading me?
I am a little bit, yeah.
Behind the scenes bullshit.
So the plan was to go to Super Nationals this weekend. But now we got a transmission leak. We're supposed to leave in, what, 3 days?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're taking the transmission out.
Okay.
Dope.
Good.
Yeah. We got the transmission most of the way out. It's like completely unbolted now. And then realized that our leak was coming from a shitty weld here. Oh, I swore in my video. You see all that weld there? That's where our leak is coming from. So we didn't actually need to take the transmission out anyways. So we're gonna JB weld that back up and then put the transmission back in. What do you think? Is it good enough to drive for 4 hours to a car show and then 4 hours back without leaking? Take that as a yes. Good. Hey guys, sorry this video is real short. We were just really in a hurry to get the car put back together so we can go to Vancouver this weekend for Super Nationals. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and maybe I'll see you in Vancouver.